There you go. You get the rest later. Do you want permission to board?
Yes.
What do you say?
Permission to board.
Permission granted. Come aboard.
So let me tell you guys a little bit of an interesting story. There was a car that ended up dangling on the side of the USS Lexington. So the process of boarding, we all drive up this ramp up to the ship. And then there's this huge elevator that takes usually aircrafts up to the flight deck. In this case, obviously they piled on a bunch of cars and then raised the elevator and then they would unload. So we're behind Brian's brother's car, the Trans Am, and they start loading us up onto this elevator. We park right next to this purple old Merc. So it's me and my dad, the Merc right beside us, and my dad's brother's white Trans Am right behind the Merc. They start unloading us just like they loaded us, one at a time. There's one guy with a radio that's instructing all the vehicles to stop. This is where the craziness starts. That radio conversation, there was a miscommunication, and as the Merc was halfway onto the flight deck, the elevator started dropping, which left the Mercury pretty much dangling from the side of this huge ship. Luckily, it had just enough weight over that it didn't start sliding or falling backwards. And mind you, there are two guys inside this car, but this thing is stuck right on the side. The elevator's halfway down before they stop and start moving it back up in order to catch the car. The craziness is that right behind that Merc, my dad's brother, which is driving the white Trans Am.
You see that shit?
They fucking dropped the elevator.
We were hanging off the
We were hanging off the fucking side of the ship.
Not even lying.
The guy that was right here in front of you, we were both like, oh, we're gonna fall over.
And the pipe on the other side, the van.
But yeah, that's the story. If you guys liked it, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. But I just wanted to release this short video on this crazy experience of what happened during our weekend on the USS Lexington.